Oh my God, Plant Based Homestead Prepper. Your prepping channel is not a real prepping channel. Stay tuned for this video.
Welcome to our channel, watch this video. Welcome to our channel, watch this video.
Hey, what's up everybody? Just coming back to you today. I am actually hanging blinds. So I had someone to tell me on the channel that I got all these videos and none of them are talking about prepping. So, you know, for me to say things like that don't bother me, I'd be lying, because they do. My idea of a prepper, and you guys correct me if I'm wrong, okay, my idea of a prepper is someone who is self-sufficient, someone who is not depending on someone else, someone who is either close to living off grid or trying to get off grid, and someone who sees the world a little bit different than most people. Okay? So that's my idea of a prepper and prepping. Because for me, prepping is all about mindset. It's not about preps, it's not about stuff. It's all about mindset. And on our channel, we're going to teach you how to get your mind right, get your body right, eat better, and do it with not a lot of stress. Okay? Laughter is the medicine that heals the soul, or something like that. And we do a lot of laughing. So if you're looking for a channel where it's going to be do this, do that, do it this way, such and such, stress, it's not the channel for you, okay, unfortunately. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me put up the last blind. And if you are the type of person that can't do this, you might have a hard time after collapse. This is probably one of the most simple things that I know to do. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. Alright, so from the package to up, y'all time me, alright? I'm gonna let y'all watch. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of talking. So I just cut open the box. I've already measured, I already took the old one down. So you guys, and this is just a simple example of my idea of being a prepper. Okay? Self-sufficiency. But if you gotta pay somebody to do something simple like this, you might be in trouble. I'm just saying, you know, I could be wrong. Let's see if we can get it right the first time. How about that? Notice I didn't measure either. Again, I've already measured, so I know they're gonna fit. Just back up, put them up there and do it right. Do it right. Don't try this at home, kids, because you may be off and you may be sad in the end. All right. This is probably one of the most basic things that I do. Just so you guys know. But guess what? I won't have to pay anybody to come do that. So my idea of prepping, your idea of prepping may be two different ideas. We try to live this life, and we live this life doing this plant-based, which means we eat absolutely no meat. And we try to teach what we know, which is not a lot. I know how to have a good time. Jennifer knows how to have a good time. So that's our claim to fame. Plant-based homestead preppers, where we make prepping fun. And if you don't like the fun part, then guess what? It's probably 500 trillion other channels that you can go subscribe to and really learn what you're looking for. Because if it's not here, then that's really kind of a you problem, not a me problem. I was just, you know, I'm just sitting there around thinking about, you know, how people can watch stuff, get entertained. Because see, the one thing about it, Everybody on YouTube, this is all entertainment. Remember that. And what we try to consider ourselves, we consider ourselves to be edutainers. Okay? So remember that. We're edutainers. We try to educate you on some things, but we're going to entertain you on most. So, and it's really not the first time I heard that, but I'm going to tell you this. I can only be one person. I can't be Bear Survivor. I sure can't be Canadian Prepper, because that dude puts a lot into his videos. I can't do what Grim Survival does. I can't do what 6 Acres does. I can't do what Breaking Out from the Bad Planet does. I can only do what Roderick is going to do. So I just thought I'd come in and share that with you guys. And I'm going to put this video right up. And I hope that the person that made the comment, I hope they see this. And I hope they understand where I'm coming from, because, and I'm not trying to be mean or rude. I'm just telling you, we're living our lives. And we're showing you, you know, a behind the curtain scene of the way our lives are. And if you're not happy with that and you're not satisfied with that, then guess what? You don't really have to watch. And guess what? When you do watch, and when you do make negative comments, or what I consider a negative comment or something, you know, if you're dissatisfied about our videos, guess what? You're doing nothing but helping us anyway. So thank you. I appreciate the comment. I appreciate the feedback, and I really do. And it's always funny to me how someone will say something not as positive as I would like for them to be, and I'll immediately respond with, okay, what would you like to see happen? What would you, what can we do different? Because, I like to see people happy. Good Lord, I teach laughter. I teach having a good time. So I'd like to see you happy. So if you are dissatisfied with any of our videos, anything that you've seen or attempted to learn here, let me know. I'll make a video specifically for you and for your topic. And if I don't know about it, I will do the research and then come back in and give you a good, logical, plant-based prepper, plant-based homestead prepper synopsis of it. How about that? All right, y'all take care. Thank you for being here. Be blessed. So there you have it. Honestly, this is a peek into our lives of being plant-based, trying to turn our home into a homestead, and prepping at the same time. So, for those that love us, thank you. For those that don't love us, thank you. Because trust me, all your view time, all your watch time, all your comments, and all your dislikes help. So, subscribe, comment, even if it's negative. Dislike if you don't like it. But guess what? We're going to keep on moving, and we're going to keep making videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Take care. Subscribe, like, comment.
Welcome to our channel. Watch this video.